Okay, I wanted to meet with you to discuss the extended standards for science testing for AAA.
Okay.
And here's what we have so far. We have extended standard 7.1, which is matching body tissues or organs, for example, skin, bones, muscles, stomach, lungs, to their function. And we're going to test the student on complexity level 2. The student will be able to identify body tissues or organs with 3 pieces of evidence. So what we're thinking of doing is testing him on an illustration of the human body,
Okay.
and it points to various parts, tissues, organs that we can then cut these out and the student can match to their appropriate places. 7.2.
And so you're going to do that as a written performance summary?
Correct. Sorry,
Okay.
we're going to do that as a written performance summary for each 3 evidences.
Okay.
Science, extended standard 7.2, we're doing as a complexity level 1. That's going to be as a worksheet minimum of 10 problems. It looks like this.
Okay.
There are 10 examples in here: shovel, child, book, cow, as an example. And the child will be able to identify whether it's living or not living through answering the questions: does it breathe? Does it eat? Does it grow? And answering 3 checks of a yes means it's a yes, a living thing. The student can practice by cutting these out. It's the exact, shouldn't say exact, it's similar living and non-living things, and then putting it on a Venn diagram, and then you can organize whether it's abiotic, meaning not alive, or biotic, meaning alive.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds
Perfect.
that'd be complexity 1.
That's complexity 1.
Okay.
And then for 7.3, extended standard, which is identifying inherited traits such as hair, eye color, or height. Complexity level 1 is the child being able to identify a trait of at least 2 people as the same or not the same. So we developed this. It has 2 people, which then we can manipulate to being the same or not the same: eye color, hair color. We can even adjust the height if we want to. So that way the student can identify that and point to that, and that will be as a worksheet of 10 examples.
Okay, on complexity 1 as well?
Correct.
Okay, when do you think we're going to be done with 7.1, evidence piece 1? You think we'll get that in the next 2 weeks?
I think we can get that in the next 2 weeks.
Okay. So we're hoping to have all the complexity evidence in for the first piece of evidence
In 2
by,
weeks.
what is that, February? I want to say the first week in February. That'll give us a little longer. Let's say February, like the 3rd.
That's fine.
Okay.
We can do
And
that.
then we'll shoot for the 18th for our second piece of evidence for each of the different sections, and then we'll try to get the entire project in and ready to go by the 12th of March.
Okay.
So we'll meet again. Let's meet again, next Friday? Sit down and see what we've worked on, and we'll try to change or reevaluate anything we need to change.
Okay. That
All
sounds
right,
good.
sounds good.